It's been a while mga kahenyo. Narito na naman ako para sa inyo, para bigyan kayo ng mga kaalaman at karunungan na kailangan nyo. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang lahat ng uri ng mga engineer na talaga namang makakatulong sa inyo para mapag-isip-isip kayo kung ano ba ang kukuha ninyong klaseng engineer sa pagpasok nyo sa college. At kung ikaw ay isang STEM student, makakatulong ito na ma-inform ka kung ano ba ang lahat ng engineer na kailangan mong malaman. At kung handa na kayo, huwag munang kalimutan na mag-subscribe, mag-share at mag-comment sa video na to. At kung nakapag-subscribe ka na, intro muna kasi vlogger! Number 1 engineer, aerospace engineer. Aerospace or aeronautical engineer ang siyang nakapokus sa pagdidesign ng mga aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, missiles, at system for defense. Number 2, civil engineer. Ang mga civil engineer ang siyang nagde-design at nagsusupervise ng mga large construction projects, including ang mga roads, buildings, airports, tunnels, dam, bridges, and system for water supply at mga sewage treatment. Number 3, biochemical engineer. Ang biochemical engineer ang siyang responsable sa pagdevelop ng mga bagong chemical product that can be used by a multitude of companies and individuals. Number 4, biomedical engineer. Biomedical engineer ang siyang nag-a-analyze, nagde-design ng solusyon sa problem ng biology and medicine at ang nag-goal na mapa-improve ang kalidad ng effectiveness sa bawat patient care. Number 5, chemical engineer. Chemical engineer is someone who influences various areas of technology by conceptualizing and designing process for producing, transforming, and transporting materials. Number 6, computer hardware engineer. Computer hardware engineer is someone who researches, designs, develops, and tests computer equipment such as chips, circuit boards, or routers. Number 7, computer system engineer. Computer system engineer is someone who combines their knowledge of computer science, engineering, and mathematical analysis to develop, test and evaluate software, circuits, personal computers, and more. Number 8, electric engineer. Electrical engineer is someone who designs and develops new electrical equipment, solves problems, and tests equipment. Number 9, environmental engineer. Environmental engineer is someone who uses the principles of engineering, soil science, biology, and chemistry to develop solutions to environmental problems. Number 10, flight engineer. A valued crew member of any airplane, a flight engineer is responsible for ensuring that all components of the plane are in proper working order. Number 11, industrial engineer. Industrial engineers find ways to eliminate wastefulness in production processes. They devise efficient ways to use workers, machines, materials, information, and energy to make a product or provide a service. Number 12, marine engineer. A marine engineer is someone who designs, builds, and tests repairs ships, boats, underwater craft, offshore platforms, and drilling equipment. Number 13, mechanical engineer. A mechanical engineer is someone who designs, develops, builds, and tests mechanical devices, including tools, engines, and machines. Number 14, mechatronics engineer. Mechatronics engineers are uniquely equipped to work as a mechanical engineers with electronics, instrumentation, and real-time software engineering skills. Number 15, Mining and Geological Engineer. A mining and geological engineer is someone who designs mines for the safe and efficient removal of minerals such as coal and metals for manufacturing and utilities. Number 16, Nanotechnology Engineer. A nanotechnology engineer is someone who works around the smallest, most amazing fragments of science. Number 17, Nuclear Engineer. A nuclear energy researches and develops the process, instruments, and system used to get benefits for nuclear energy and radiation. Number 18, Petroleum Engineer. Petroleum Engineer is someone who locates reservoirs or natural gas and crude oil beneath the Earth's surface and then determines if the effort of extracting the product will be worth the time and money for the company he works for. Number 19, Robotics Engineer. Robotics Engineer is a behind-the-scene designer who is responsible for creating robots and robotic systems that are able to perform duties that humans are either unable or prefer not to complete. Number 20, Software Engineer. A software engineer is someone who is engaged in computer software development and applies engineering principles to software creation. Number 21, Water Engineer. A water engineer is someone who deals with the provision of clean water, disposal of wastewater and sewage, and the prevention of flood damage. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano ba ang lahat ng mga engineer at nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano ba yung i-purpose nyo pagka kukuha na kayo ng course sa college about engineering. Ito si Rodel Alvarez na nagsasabing ang buhay ay makabuluhan kaya't punuin ito ng karunungan. That's one day wisdom. To God be all the glory.